This is the Nokia n79 disassembly video. For disassembling, you need the Nokia Toolkit version 2, plus the SS148 and the SS100. Make sure that the LCD screen is protected with protective film throughout the process. To remove the C cover, push the button on the bottom side with the SS93. Remove the C cover. If there is a battery inserted, remove it also. To release the edges of the A cover, insert the SS148 to the battery slot, and rotate it clockwise, until you see a small gap between the A cover and the B cover. Do not fully rotate the SS148, as this would damage the B cover. To release the A cover, insert the SS93 into the gap between the A cover and the B cover. Start to release the A cover around the keymat assembly area. Continue the releasing of the A cover on the right-hand side of the LCD. Be careful while detaching the clip near the SD card door, this clip will easily be damaged. Gently bend the B cover with the SS93 and carefully release the clip. Remove the A cover in the direction shown. Remove the SS148. Protect the LCD with a protective film. Release the UI assembly with the SS93. Use the dental tool to open the clips on the sides of the UI assembly. Be aware of the sharp point of the dental tool. Be careful not to injure yourself. The UI assembly is connected to the engine board with a flexboard connector. When opening the connector, be careful not to damage it. Open the flexboard connector of the UI assembly with the SS93, and then remove the UI assembly. Use the SS93 to release the two clips on the bottom side of the UI assembly. Use the dental tool to open the clip on the left-hand side of the UI assembly. Lift the keymat assembly, as shown. Insert the tip of the SS93 under the UI assembly connector to release it from the keymat assembly. Slowly lift the connector and detach the keymat assembly from the UI assembly. Lift up the LCD. When opening the LCD connector, be careful not to damage it. Open the LCD connector with the SS93, remove the LCD. Use the tweezers to remove the camera boot. Unscrew the Torx Plus size 6 screw, and remove it. Do not use the screw again. Discard it. Unscrew and remove the 5 Torx Plus size 6 screws in the order shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Use the SS93 to release the chassis assembly, and then remove it. Carefully loosen up the adhesive on the earpiece, as shown, and remove the earpiece. Discard it. Do not use it again. Carefully open all the clips on the grounding gasket, using the dental tool. and then remove the grounding gasket. The grounding gasket cannot be used again. Discard it. When opening the side key flex ASI connector, be aware not to damage it. Use the SS93 to open the side key flex ASI connector. Remove the engine board. Use the dental tool as shown to remove the RF lid. Do not use it again. It must be discarded. Push down the camera removal tool SS100 until the camera retaining clips are released. Lift up the SS100 and remove the camera. Use the SS93 to lift up the antenna main assembly and remove it. Lever out the microphone by using the dental tool, and then remove it. Release the IHF speaker with the dental tool, and remove it with the tweezers. Discard it. Do not use it again. Detach the IHF gasket with the dental tool. Do not use it again. It must be discarded. Use the dental tool to lift up the DC jack, and then remove it with the tweezers. Use the SS93 to lift up the clip of the SD card door, and then remove it. To detach the antenna top assembly, use the dental tool, as shown, to release the clip near the SD card door. Lift up the antenna top assembly, and remove it. Use the dental tool to remove the IHF speaker and the IHF gasket. Do not use them again. Remove the AV jack with the tweezers. Lift up the side key flex with the tweezers, and remove it. Use the tweezers to remove the shutter key, the volume key, and the power key. Now the Nokia n79 disassembly procedure is complete.